Kumusta ulit mga ka-rhythm dyan? At ito ay may react akong video nila na kinover nilang kanta ay Sister Golden Hair by America. Isa sa mga oldies na magandang kanta to. America eh. At ang kakanta nito baka si Char o si Chen. Tingnan natin. Okay. Pakinggan muna natin para malaman natin kung sino ang vocals.
Well, I tried to make it
Daddy pala.
Sunday, but I got so damn
Tama, panlalaki.
But I set my sights on Monday, and I've got myself undressed. I ain't ready for the autumn, but I do agree this time, when a woman sure can be a friend of mine.
Si Chen nga, nakalugay lang.
Well, I keep on
Hindi nakaipit.
about you, Sister Golden Hair Surprise. Now I just can't live without you. Can't you see it in my eyes? Now I've been
Char na yan, rating naman. Guitar.
I've been too hard to find.
Si Char magaling talaga. Oh. Pero pag nagigitara, walang tingin-tinginan din.
Will you meet me in the middle? Will you meet me in the air? Will you love me just a little, just enough to show you care? Well, I try to fake it, I don't mind saying I just can't make it.
Galing.
Well, I keep on thinking about you.
Galing din ni
Sister
Dots.
Golden Hair Surprise. Now I just can't live without you. Can you see it in my eyes? Now I've been one poor correspondent. I've been too hard to find. But it doesn't mean you ain't been on my mind. Well, you meet me.
Ang galing ni Dots. Ang galing ah. Buha yung drums ng Amerika. Saka si Chen. Galing din. Ang galing din ni Chen talaga. Original mga style nila eh. Cover nila ng drum band. Oh, buha ni Chen eh. Galing mo, Chen. Ngayon lang nung nakita si Chen na nakaganyan ng kalugay lang. Parati nakaipit ng mga... Galing.
Thank you for watching.
Only here at Friends Rhythm Channel.
Galing pagkakanta. Parang orig na rin, parang sa original. Saan ka pa? Kundi sa France Rhythm na.
Naghahanap ng sabaw pa lang ulam na? Lucky Me, beef na beef.
Kung gusto nyong manood ng mga cover band, dito na sa France Rhythm.
Sabaw pa lang ulam na.
Ang ating paborito.
Mapapakain ka.
Of yung mga
Lucky Me, Mami.
unang-una pala, maraming salamat sa mga panonood nyo sa video ko rin. Ngayon, yung mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, paki-subscribe naman sa channel ko at paki-share na rin. O paano mga ka-rhythm? Hanggang sa susunod muli. Bye for now muna. Bye-bye.